Thank you so much. It's a shark? Oh.
Come on in. So here we've got, it's a 2-story villa. So downstairs is where the living room is, and then upstairs is the bedroom. So this is the little gathering area here. So this is the downstairs bathroom. You got your 2 sinks, one for Aaron, one for me, because I really hate sharing sinks with him.
Hey, I'm here.
And then, wait, this is really, really nice. Carolee, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Look at that.
So
You got like a nature sanctuary
it looks so
in
clean,
the bathroom.
white and serene. You have
Like
some.
a flower bath in here.
Yep.
And it's open to the jungle. I call that the jungle because
It's like you're bathing in the nature.
nature. Yep. This is like a zen, what do you call this? Oasis. Then you got your outdoor shower there, which I'm going to be showering in later.
Oh, let's look at the view from here.
Yep. She's really nice. Woo. So you have a little seating area here. And then you got your own pool here. Love it. Perfect way to see the sunset, but I think it'll be even better if we go over there. Now, and then this is like your own little backyard with this villa. You have direct access to the beach. Come along here to your backyard and look at the ocean. Ain't it pretty? So like I said, this is a 2-story villa. Oh, before we go upstairs, this is the
Mini
little
bar.
mini bar. And look at this. This is like the first hotel that we've been to where they have a complete list of wine in your room.
This is
Look at
just
that.
perfect.
That is insane. I feel like we're in a tree house. That's how I feel like.
I know, right?
Yep.
Ouch.
Are you
Watch
okay?
your steps.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Prepare your eyes for this. Ta-da! This is the room, which is equipped with a lot of stuff. Oh yeah. This is gonna be my space right here. I'm just gonna read, can sunbathe, and watch the sunset.